worldwide climate crisis known as the greenhouse effect. They were predicting a future marked by hotter temperatures, frequent droughts, destructive storms, a scenario that would make the summer of '88 seem mild by comparison.
The summer of 1988 gave us an example of a 1 degree centigrade warming. But if we look at a 3 or 4 degree centigrade warming, which is what is predicted for about 50 years from now, that would have really dramatic climate changes. We've computed the number of days that the temperature would exceed 90 degrees in places like Washington or Omaha. And that increases from 35 to 85 days per year. It's a very dramatic climate change.
The greenhouse effect, natural climate variation.
You can't say that a particular hot summer is caused by the greenhouse effect because of the fact that natural variability is still larger than the greenhouse effect. That's why I think it is particularly important to observe very carefully what happens in the 1990s, because if the present models are approximately correct, then we should see significant climate changes in the 1990s.
The summer of '88 supports but doesn't prove the greenhouse predictions. And even if future summers are cooler than average, it won't disprove the theory. It's the overall world temperature pattern taken over many years that will provide the critical evidence.
The principal basis for the conclusion that the greenhouse effect is occurring is the global temperature, because the natural variability is smaller if you look at larger scales. So if we look at the global average, we're most likely to be able to see the greenhouse warming. And in fact, what we find is that the Earth has been getting warmer, and it's warmed by an amount which is larger than the natural fluctuations. So it's unlikely that it's an accident.